Paradise in Dominican Republic. The best 5 resorts. Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana. Located in Punta Cana, Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana offers beachfront accommodations a few steps from Juanillo Beach and has facilities like a fitness center, a bar and a garden. Featuring room service, this property also welcomes guests with a restaurant, a water park and a year-round outdoor pool. There's a sauna, entertainment staff and a kids club. Rooms include air conditioning, a safety deposit box and a TV. Buffet and a la carte breakfast options are available each morning at Hyatt Ziva Cap Cana. Hyatt Solara Cap Cana. Hyatt Solara Cap Cana in Punta Cana provides adults-only accommodations with a fitness center, a bar and a garden. Featuring a 24-hour front desk, this property also welcomes guests with a restaurant, a water park and a year-round outdoor pool. The property has evening entertainment and room service. Free Wi-Fi is accessible to all guests, while some rooms contain a balcony. Guests at the resort can enjoy a continental or a buffet breakfast. Live Aqua Beach Resort Punta Cana. Live Aqua Beach Resort Punta Cana features a restaurant, outdoor swimming pool, a bar and garden in Punta Cana. Located conveniently in the Uvero Alto district, this resort provides a private beach area, as well as an indoor pool. The accommodations offers a 24-hour front desk, airport transfers, room service and free Wi-Fi throughout the property. The units come with air conditioning, a flat-screen TV with satellite channels, a coffee machine, a shower, a hairdryer and a desk. Secrets Cap Cana Resort and Spa. Located in Punta Cana, within 0.7 miles of Playa Juanillo and 1.6 miles of Cap Cana Marina, Secrets Cap Cana Resort and Spa, adults only, offers accommodations with water sports facilities, free Wi-Fi throughout the property. Among the various facilities of this property are a casino, a bar and a restaurant. Freshwater Lagoons is 2.7 miles from the resort. The units at the resort come with a seating area. The private bathroom is equipped with a hot tub and a hairdryer. All guest rooms include a flat-screen TV with cable channels. Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa. The beachfront Breathless Punta Cana Resort and Spa offers 6 swimming pools, 2 outdoor hot tubs, spa treatments and free Wi-Fi throughout. This party resort has a nightclub, offering a private balcony, hot tub, air conditioning, flat-screen cable TV and coffee maker. These suites include private bathrooms with free toiletries. Guests at this property can enjoy 24-hour room service, 9 restaurants, a cafeteria and 8 bars and lounges. An indoor theater and on-site casino and water sports are available as well. I appreciate your time and interest in this video. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more content like it in the future.